Finally, we have our fifth look of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. We have the full design leak of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Thanks for the smart pre for this leaks. They provide a 360 video as well. In this video, we clearly see we have the flat edges in the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. But in corner, we have less curve, and it's make a more boxy design of the Samsung Galaxy. This is Z Fold 6 in the dimension of Samsung Galaxy. Z Fold 6 is 123.7 by 132.5 x 6.1 millimeter Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Come with 67-inch outside display and 6.2-inch inner display. In the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, we have the USB-C port on the bottom and on the top. We have mics and speaker grill on the rear, looks exactly the same with a triple camera setup in a vertical layout and in the brightness. We have 2,600 nits of peak, and we get the 7-year security updates in the Samsung Galaxy Fold 6 and the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. So this is good news for those who want to use the phone for a long time. And right now, we have some colors leaks of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. According to reliable leaker Ross Young tweet, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 come in light pink, silver, and dark blue, and the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 come with yellow, light blue, silver, and light green. And we have launch date of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. According to rumors, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6's launch on 10th of July 2024. According to Ross Young, Samsung is working on the cheaper version of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. According to leaks, the cheaper version is not support Samsung S Pen. Right now, we have only this leaks of the cheaper version. But as soon as we hear anything related to cheaper version, I inform you guys. So subscribe if you want information related to the cheaper version of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Now, I am going to run through the full specs design and the expected pricing to help you guys decide which one is right for you. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 come with triple rear camera, the main camera of Samsung Galaxy. Z Fold 6 is a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and then a 10-megapixel telephoto, and on the front, we have a 10-megapixel wide-angle camera. When we talk about the display, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 come with 7.6-inch foldable, 120 Hz dynamic AMOLED display, an internal display of Samsung Galaxy. Z Fold 6 is 6.2-inch dynamic AMOLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate, and it is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 3 BUM. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 come with One UI 6.0 and it based on Android 14. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 come with 4,400 mAh battery. It's going to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 globally, and we get 12 GB of RAM with up to 1 TB of storage. The price of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected. Price is $1,150. So it's all if you like my video. Give a thumbs and subscribe and follow me on Instagram.